front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. All you need to do is go into Settings and tap on Connections right away. Then hit More Connection Settings at the bottom and hit Printing at the top. Now you can either use default print service right away or tap on Download plugin and download the best one for you. Wherever you decided, click on your print service and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Your device will look for your printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip: if you still can't connect, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Add Printer, and if it supports Wi-Fi direct printing, use this switcher to activate it, and wait. If you want to, you can also tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here, and select Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!